Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to seamlessly embed YouTube Shorts on your Shopify store. First, log into your Shopify admin panel. On the homepage, navigate to the Online Store section in the dashboard. This area allows you to manage your theme, design, and content. Next, click Customize to open the theme editor. This interactive page lets you make live adjustments to your store layout so you can see your changes in real time. Once in the theme editor, locate and click Add section. From the list of content types, select Video. Click Select to confirm your choice and prepare the section for your video. Now you have two options. If you already have a YouTube short uploaded, you can simply paste the video link into the section. If not, click Upload Video to upload your file directly. After embedding, adjust the placement and settings as needed to fit your store's layout and design. And there you have it. Your Shopify store now features a YouTube short, adding vibrancy and interaction for your visitors. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.
Welcome guys to this new video of Text First. I'm going to be